Okay, so before we get started, I did want to say I normally do my wash day and be playing my feel-good music. Today is going to be different because I did get a random request for an ASMR wash day video. Since I'm doing a girlfriend's routine, like y'all can go to her channel, check out, all the information on the routine on her channel. I'm gonna try to give you guys the ASMR version. It's time. Happy holiday with some Reshae. Time to celebrate with love, family, and gifts. Ooh. Happy holiday with some Reshae. Natural beauty, yeah, some Reshae. Let me talk into my mic. I'm trying to give y'all the ASMR version. So without further ado, let's get into this wash day pamper routine by my girl, EC. So far, finger detangling is not my bag. I don't know how to do it effectively. And I'm just not good at it. So I did like using the tangle teaser. So I may or may not have stuck to the finger detangling first on this side. But so far, we off to a good start. So let's rinse this out and then shampoo with our twist in.
I am off the ASMR part. Because right now we gonna have to try to make some shake. So she did a deep conditioning mask and she used a few different products. I don't have none of those products, so we just tried to find like some similar products. So she had like a moisture mask. I think I got the Dew, and this is the Sweetest Thing honey moisture mask. I've never tried this, but after I tried the setting mousse and I found out honey was my thing, I went and bought all of the Dew I can find, and I got it from TJ Maxx for $7.99, which the retail is normally $16. So again, check out TJ Maxx if y'all want to get y'all hair products for the low. She also had a Camille Rose mask. I think it's the Jamaican black castor oil one. I think I used all of that one because I cannot find it. So I have the Algae Renew deep conditioning mask. This has cocoa and mango butter in it, so I'm gonna use some of this. I've never used this before. And then I'm just using an old container to mix this in. And then she also had like a strengthening protein mask. So I'm taking, this is from Miche, and this is the Strengthening Protein Moisture Balance Deep Conditioner. I don't know how much she did of each thing, but I'm gonna just do a dollop of Daisy and put, you know, a good amount in. Maybe like 2 big old finger scoops of product. Alright, so I have my 3 different masks concoction up in here. Alright, so I'm gonna just stir that up with the bottom of my brush. Oh, she did add some Jamaican black castor oil. And so I have some of the one with peppermint in it. So I'm gonna add that in. And then I've also been loving my cactus oil. So I'm gonna put some cactus oil in there. We're gonna stir it together. That's what it looks like. It's nice and yellow. And then she had a hair steamer. So I have not invested in one yet, but she made it convincing. So I'm about to, you know, try to make some shake with my Conair steamer. I know what you're thinking, or you're probably not even thinking, but I was thinking like, steam is steam, right? But I don't want to damage my hair because this be straightening clothes and I don't want it to straighten my hair. So I'm just going to put it on like low. I also don't know how long this little bit of water going to last, but there's different modes on this. And I'm going to put it on low. And then I'm going to just hit steam. It's right here, so I'm assuming it'll steam forward so I could dip my hair down in it and apply this mask. Hopefully y'all can see the steam when it starts coming. Okay. All right, half the head is done, and when I say it's giving, I'm gonna have to get that steamer because it's giving. So I'm about to refill my steam. So if you have the hair density that I have, you may be able to get through a half of your head with one thing and refill it a second time for the other half. If you have super dense hair, you might have to do this per quadrant. Just depends on your hair. So I'm gonna fill this up and then I'm gonna come back and do this side. So I added the oil. I used Do Grow because I ran out of my wild growth oil that she used. But I just massaged my scalp with the steamer still going until the steamer ran out of the rest of that water. Now I'm just gonna clamp up my twist, and I will say, like, my hair feels like butter. You heard me right. It feels like butter. So now that I have all of that in there, she took a deep conditioning cap, and I'm gonna go heat mine up in the microwave, and then we go put that on. Okie dokie artichokes. We have our shower cap. And then we have our conditioning cap. Alright, so I'm gonna let this stay, and then I'm gonna go eat lunch or something. Then I'll wash out the deep conditioner. I'll come back and show you guys what my hair looks like with no product, and that'll be the end of our wash day. All right, y'all, so I let this sit pretty much all day. It is almost 6 o'clock, and I rinsed out my deep conditioner just now. I just got out the shower, so let's untwist one of these bad boys and see how our hair is looking. Nice and juicy. All right, so my hair feels nice and smooth. It's detangled. It feels very soft and moisturized, like very much so hydrated. So I tried EC's pampering wash day routine, and it was a success. I definitely feel like I'm sold on buying the steamer, because even though I use my little Conair, I feel like that steamer will really do numbers, especially the hooded attachment. If I like sat under it and that steam was really just like percolating, like I can only imagine like a peppermint oil or something just percolating, and then my scalp just getting that whole menthol feeling. Like, I think it'll be amazing. So if you guys want me to try out another Curlfriends curly hair routine, please let me know in the comments below. I love y'all so very much, and y'all never forget, at the end of the day, without regrets, love yourself and be you to full. I'll see y'all tomorrow. Bye.
All about natural beauty. Yeah, Slim Reshae.